Let's review the payoff table. If the action 1 is used, 3 for oil, and there's oil underground, the expected payoff going to be $700,000. If decide to 3 for oil, but underground is dry, the company will lose what? $100,000. If the company don't want to take any risk, they can just take action 2, sell the land. Sell the land is risk-free, the company get $90,000. But how likely there's oil underground? 25% chance. How likely underground is dry? 75% chance. Okay? So based on the payoff table, we're going to discuss what? The following 4 criteria. Okay? 4 criteria. First one is decision making without using probabilities. It's called max criteria. Okay? Max criterion. And how max criterions work? Well, think about this. People always think about the best. They think optimistically. Always think only the best thing will come. Okay? Only the best thing to come. So if they take action 1, okay, take action 1. Look at the table. If the company decide to take action 1, what's the best outcome? They find oil underground, and therefore, the expected payoff going to be $700,000. Okay? But if the company decide to take action 2, the best outcome to come is just $90,000. Okay? So let me write this down. If the company take action 1, alternative 1, which is 3 for oil. Okay? Then among 2 possible outcomes, either find oil underground or no oil underground. One is 700,000, one is lost 100,000. But max C what? Max criterion. You always take the positive side, okay? So the max of finding oil underground is $700,000. And the other possibility is lost what? 100,000 K. So the max of the 2 is what? Is $700,000. But if the company decide to take action 2, sell the land, then sell the land is risk-free. The company get what? Doesn't matter oil underground or no oil underground. Sell the land can get what? $90,000. Okay? So you compare these two. The max of this max and this max is just what? $700,000. Where is this coming from? This coming from taking what? Action 1. So if you use max criterion, if max criterion is used, okay, the optimal what? The optimal strategy is what? Where this $700,000 coming from? Coming from taking action 1. So the optimal strategy is what? Take A1, which is what? 3 for oil. Okay? Okay, let's look at the second one, criterion. Okay? It's also decision making without is also decision making without probability. The maxi-min criterion. The big picture, the big picture or the fundamental logic behind it is you choose what? Huh? Among two devil, you choose a devil. Looks not so bad, okay? Or in the two worst case scenario, you choose the one you are more able to tolerate with it, okay? That's a big picture. So, let's do the analysis. What's maxi-min criterion? Say you take action 1. 3 for all year. Okay? What is the worst case to come? Okay? 1, if you find oil underground, you can gain what? $700,000. But if there's no oil underground, you're going to lose $100,000. So among the two, which one's the devil? You don't find oil. That means you're going to lose what? $100,000. But if you take action 2, you sell the land. Okay? So the worst case scenario, when there's oil underground, you get $90,000. But there's no oil underground, you also get $90,000. So the minimum of the two is what? Is $90,000. So among two devil, this one you don't find oil. You lost what? 100,000. But this one, if you don't find oil, you still get 90,000. So the max of the two is $90,000. But where this $90,000 coming from? Where this $90,000 coming from? It's coming from what? Coming from, you sell the land, okay? So we say if maxi min criterion is used. Okay? If maxi min criterion is used, the optimal strategy is what? Is take what? Action 2. Okay? Which is sell the land. Okay?